Hello! Welcome to this week's vlog. So today's Saturday and I have some errands I need to run. I sold something on Depop, so I have to drop that off to get shipped. And then I also need to donate some stuff at Goodwill. I might run into a thrift store, might get a bagel. I really need to get my car washed, but I really don't want to deal with doing that, but we'll see. It's pretty bad, so yeah, come along with me and let's hang out. Just went and ran a bunch of errands, dropped off my package for Depop, got a bagel. It was amazing. Obsessed. And it's also right by the post office, the bagel place. Amazing. I dropped off a bunch of stuff at Goodwill that I had to donate, and I looked around in Goodwill. I have some things that I want to get from like a thrift store if I can find it, and one is like a good belt. And then another thing is like a denim maxi skirt because my old one ripped, which is tragic, but it was from Uniqlo. It was like very cheap. So yeah, unfortunately no luck finding that in the thrift store. And I also went to a home consignment store, which I didn't take footage of because I don't know, I just didn't. But the consignment store had cool stuff, but I just like didn't want to. It was more expensive, you know, so I just like, I don't know, I didn't find anything I loved. If I had loved something I might have gotten it, but nothing that I loved. So yeah, now I'm gonna go get new running shoes because I'm starting to train for my half marathon and my shoes are like over a year old and my arches have been hurting lately, which I think is a sign that I need new shoes. So I'm gonna go do that next, and then might run to Ace Hardware and get some like painter's tape, just because I don't have any and I feel like it's just good to have around. And I also need some gardening things. But yeah, so I'm gonna go finish up those errands.
So cute.
Oh my god, you're fucking cute.
I don't know where that food came from.
Guys, we have a fifth member of our hiking group now.
Dude, he can come. Alright, let me.
Wow, I'm like so nervous. Can you please like Let's spread out our.
Stop!
It actually slips. Oh boy!